Freezer suddenly making loud noises? Here's what each sound means. Buzzing or humming, the compressor. A low hum is normal when the compressor is running. If it's louder than usual, the compressor may be working harder due to dirty coils, a bad door seal, or high room temperature. Clean the coils and check the gasket. Clicking, the start relay trying to start the compressor. If the compressor doesn't start and you hear repeated clicking, the start relay is failing. $20 to $50 for the part, $100 to $150 installed. Loud fan noise, the evaporator fan. This fan is inside the freezer behind the back panel. When its bearings wear out, it squeals or grinds. $150 to $250 to replace. Scraping or knocking, ice hitting the evaporator fan blade. When the defrost system fails, ice builds up near the fan. The fan blade hits the ice and makes a scraping or knocking sound. This tells you have a defrost system problem. Defrost the freezer and repair the defrost system. Popping or cracking, thermal expansion. Plastic walls and shelves expand and contract with temperature changes. This is completely normal and not a cause for concern. Gurgling, refrigerant flowing through the system. Normal sound that happens during cooling cycles. The only sounds that need immediate attention, continuous clicking with no cooling, grinding metal, or loud knocking. Everything else is either normal or a minor fix. Freezer repair. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.